about this program through my school's collegians network.
I saw there was a winter internship and went straight to the website.
But I'm learning a lot more about finance that I didn't know before and how much transferable skills there are.
You learn so much, especially breaking down the finance industry, meeting diverse but also like-minded people, so people from arts, science, engineering, just a whole bunch of different backgrounds, but are also in the same position as you, so want to work in finance but really need to understand more about it. It was great to interact and meet many diverse but also like-minded people, and to hear from the panellists their insights coming from both different backgrounds, working in different sectors of the finance industry, and yeah, very intelligent and insightful people.